Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with essential checks so you know what you're fixing and why. First, confirm your carrier plan allows full tethering and has no intentional throttling. This rules out policy limits. Once done, restart both the phone and the connecting device, toggle the hotspot off then on, and use airplane mode briefly to reset radios. Next, measure baseline signal strength and run a quick speed test. This tells you if the problem is radio, data, or device-related. Now you tackle middle steps that change performance. Change the hotspot band. Use 5 GHz for higher throughput when range is short versus 4 GHz when you need coverage. Test both to compare. Make sure only essential devices are connected and secure the hotspot with WPA2 or WPA3 so others aren't consuming bandwidth. Also, reposition the phone, elevate it, avoid thick walls, and keep it away from microwaves or other radio. Finish with advanced fixes and a clear troubleshooting tip. Update the phone's OS and carrier APN settings, and if problems persist, reset network settings to remove corrupt configs. For the most stable link, use USB tethering or a powered external battery pack and wired tether when possible. Wired avoids radio interference. Finally, if speeds remain poor, swap the SIM into a different phone or test the phone with another carrier. This isolates whether the issue is your device versus the carrier network. If it's the carrier, contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.